guys, welcome to my YouTube channel CoolZie TV, and today we want to do another unboxing video and unboxing experience with my product that I recently received through online store. Alright, okay, so this is the product. Okay, so actually what we're going to do today is I just recently purchased we call it an induction cooker. Alright, the brand is Hetch Induction Cooker Ultra Slim IDC 1705HC. Alright, that's the brand name, Hetch Induction Cooker IDC 1705HC. Okay, so that's the product, the name of the product today. Okay, so alright, so while we waiting, what else? So we just do it. Alright, okay guys, so this is the product that I'm talking about just now. Sorry. Alright, it's a small induction cooker. Alright, so because I'm planning to use this one for my my daily life. Okay, sometimes I'm cooking at my home, so I just dig on this induction cooker. Okay, so this is the brand Hetch HATCH Induction Cooker Ultra Slim. Okay, so you can see. Alright, this is the model number IDC 1705HC. Okay, and it's induction cooker and it's ultra slim. Okay, so this is the box. Alright, I want to give some compliment to this seller because we can put a lot of bubble wrap here. Okay, because the box is slightly bigger than it should be, so they put a lot of bubble wrap, so to make sure that this product is protected when I receive it. Alright, okay, so this is the product. Okay, so in here you have we have the control panel and function here. As you can see, it's on off, function, timer, child lock, and then we have BBQ, fry, hot pot, soup, water and milk. Okay, so this is the function and this is the control panel. It's easy to use. The seller says it's really easy to use, so I'm gonna make another video about how to use it and how good it is. Alright, okay, and at the back you have the same picture of the product. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Alright, open here, and okay, you open it here and you can just open it. Alright, simple. And inside also we have like we call it polystyrene. Okay, so this is the cable. Okay, and what you need to do is just pull it. Okay, so this is the product. Okay, you can see, open. Okay, so this is the induction cooker. Alright, it's really nice, it's really simple. Alright, and it's really small. Since I live in a small studio, so it's really useful for me because I don't have a lot of spaces to put this induction cooker, and I'm not gonna use it every day. So when I want to use it, I just open from the box, easy like that. Okay, so this is the induction cooker, and the back is okay, nothing. It just got some certification numbers here. Okay, and we have the child lock. Okay, we have the timer, function, and on and off, and this is the mode, which one you want to choose. Alright, okay, and it has a plus and minus button for you to, because maybe to choose the heat, want to reduce it or want to increase it. You can do that. Alright, the cable is here. They use it the Malaysian cable, standard. Okay, alright, and inside the box also as well, they give you like the manual here, and also I don't know here. Oh, this is like just want to like Facebook, their Facebook Hetch. Okay, so this is induction cooker ultra slim, and it says it's from Germany. Alright, okay, it's from Germany. Got a logo here, Germany. As you can see. Okay, alright, and this is the manual. Okay, so what's inside? Just a simple manual how you want to do this, and also the warranty card also here, and here is the warranty card. Okay, alright, Okay, so that's all. It's simple, just simple product. All right, and how good it is, I'm going to show you another video. All right, maybe we can do some cooking. We call it maybe cooking. Call it cooking video. I don't know. All right, so hopefully you can use this video as a reference before you want to purchase it. All right, I'm pretty sure you are recently maybe people right now are working at home, stay at home, so they need to cook for themselves. Are still looking for induction cooker, so this is might be one of the cheapest in the market. Alright, I buy it around from, I think I buy it around for Malaysia ringgit 99 ringgit. Okay, so maybe in dollar around maybe $20 to $30. It's really cheap. Alright, you can find maybe in your online store, maybe Amazon, I don't know. Alright, I don't have the link, I don't have anything, I just share you the experience of unboxing this product only. Okay, how use it, how good it is, we will go through another video. Hopefully I have time to do that video. Alright, okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for your time and hope you enjoy. You can go first, see this video before you want to buy. Alright, it's easier for you to have a better picture about a product. Okay, so see you on the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and we will see you on the next video.